Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2015 Vauxhall Astra design. This car comes with the 1.6 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 113 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 40 miles to the gallon. The car has a low insurance group of 12 and this is a 3-owner vehicle, having covered just over 28,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the metallic silver lake and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As you look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. There's two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your FM radio with CD player and Bluetooth in the centre there, as well as air conditioning, cruise control on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. And on the driver's door card, you have your electric mirror and front window controls. Being the 5-door version of the Astra, nice and practical, so a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back for a hatchback. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. There's also some pockets in the back of the front seats for the rear passengers too. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there, nice and deep, with the split rear seats which can be split and the parcel shelf is still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got a space saver wheel, so that's great to see. Externally, the car comes with 17-inch alloy wheels and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.